Does hearing your voice make you feel like crying? Why don't you try? What am I dying? Cat Strats.
If you're ever tempted to say something really harsh about your own voice, I would encourage you to ask yourself, would I say this to any other vocalist about their voice? If not, it's probably too subjective and therefore unhelpful. And if you wouldn't say that horrible thing about someone else's voice, why would you say it about your own voice? Your feelings matter too. In fact, you matter. Your health matters. Have a glass of water.